Would you like to see what I'm going to do with this huge pumpkin from Michael's? Well, just keep watching. Hi, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Well, today I'm participating in the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by Christina, better known as the DIY Mommy. What Christina has asked us to do is to share some fall decor, fall DIY, or a tour of a room or your home decorated for fall. And as you can see by what I'm showing you here, I have a ton of florals that I have been hiding away in the basement, and it's time for me to do something with them. So I'm going to take these florals and arrange them somehow in that large pumpkin I showed you, and that's going to be my DIY project for this challenge. First, I have to ask that you please excuse the background. I have a large work table in my basement, but this is also where I store my holiday or Christmas decorations. So if you could ignore that, I'm going to get started. The first thing I wanted to do was to mark along this pumpkin the size of this foam, floral foam that I was going to put inside so that I could start my arrangement. And then I took an electric knife and began cutting away the area of the pumpkin where I had marked. After I had made my cuts, I thought I could push this centerpiece down into the pumpkin and then, or just kind of twist it and then lift it out. But come to find out, it was styrofoam all the way through. And so taking the center core out was not an option. Well, the old saying goes, if you can't beat them, join them. So I began measuring out my floral picks and trying to decide where they would go. And I wanted to stay within the line I had cut. So first I pulled the stem from the pumpkin, and then I began making my arrangement. First, you'll see I've added some green leaves. And then I added some fall leaves and began mixing them in with the green leaves. And I keep adding, and after a while it becomes a little impossible to see what I'm actually doing. So I'm going to jump ahead past about an hour worth of work and take you to the end so you can see where I finished up. And so here we are near the end, and I'm just turning it and trying to push and pull and tug and get things to line up the way I want them to be. But you can kind of see the base of the arrangement. Got mixed in the different colors of fall: red, orange, greens, browns. Okay, so this is pretty much it, but let me take you upstairs and show you a few places where I tried it in the home. Well, here we are in my dining room next to the window, and the lighting in here is not very good, but I wanted to at least give you a chance to see the full arrangement at one glance. And this is what I ended up with, my pumpkin with floral arrangement. And when I bought this pumpkin last year at Michael's at the end of the season, I paid $20 for it. And I met a lady at that time who said she did an arrangement in one she had because the stores were selling it for, close to $300. So of course, getting everything at the end of the season, I don't even know if we came to $50. So this is where I finally decided that it would stay for the fall. This is in my foyer, so you see it when you first come in the door. So I have this tall pedestal table, and I put an orange candle, a candlestick beneath it. And then you see this huge pumpkin in this arrangement. And at the front door with the lighting hitting it and on this tall table, it just looks enormous. With this lighting, I think you can see the colors and the flowers a little better. So what do you think? Should I leave it in the dining room or leave it here in the foyer where the light hits it and greets you at the door? Leave me a comment below and let me know. So here's my DIY project for the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by Christina, the DIY Mommy. Please take the time to look in my description box and visit her channel and the playlist. There will be a link for both below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell because I still have a few more fall decor things coming your way soon. All right, thanks again for spending this time with me, and I'll talk to you again real soon.